Hi guys, welcome to our second video on SURDS. We are continuing with our SURDS, and right now we are focusing on now we want to express these said numbers back to under 1 square root, right? I'm sure you can see they are in their simplified form where you go 2 root 5, 7 root 3, 2 root 2, 4 root 6. They are simplified, but we want to go back and put them under the same square root. How are we going to do that? Okay, take a look. Remember, we said the square root of mn is equal to the square root of m times square root of n. Okay, we also did square root of x squared y, where we said it's x root y. Okay, so now we want to move from x root y back to x squared y. How are we going to do that? I'm sure you can see it's x root y. When it's going to be under the same square root, it then became x squared y. Okay, we want to apply this principle to these ones. Let's start with 2 root 5. We want to apply what has happened here on this question. We had x root y. We said the final answer is the square root of x squared. So our x in this squared this time around is going to be 2. So it's going to be 2 squared times 5. Right? It's x root y. Okay? When we go back, it becomes x squared y. So 2 root 5, when we go back, the 2 will become 2 to the power 2. Root 5 will maintain it as 5 as it is. It's still under the square root, right? So 2 to the power 2 is a 4. So we have a square root of 4 times 5, which is a root of 20. I hope you guys are following. Then the second question, we are having 7 root 3. So we are simply going to say the square root of 7 squared times 3. What is 7 to the power 2? It's a 49. So it's the square root of 49 times 3. Let's multiply it manually. 3 times 9 is a 27. 7 carry 2. 3 times 4 is a 12 plus 2, 14. It's 147. So in other terms, it's the square root of 147. We are getting a square root of 147. I hope you guys got the principle. Okay. We had square root of x squared y. When we simplified it, it became x root y. So you should be able to move from x root y to x squared y like that. Okay. And our next one is 2 root 2. Feel free to pause the video and try 2 root 2, right, as I'll be cleaning my board. For 2 root 2, it's also very easy. 2 root 2 root 2 will be equal to the square root of 2 squared times 2. This 2 on the outside is for 2 squared. It's going to give us a 4. And what's 4 times 2? It's a 8, right? So our final solution is root 8 like that. And then what about the last one, which is 4 root 6? 4 root 6 will also do the same. It's going to be 4 squared times 6. 4 squared is a 16. Let's multiply it manually. 16 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 carry 3. 6 times 1 is a 6. Plus 3 is a 9. So it's 96. So our final solution is square root of 96. Okay. On our first video, we're simplifying. We're moving from root 96 to 4 root 6. Now we have taught you guys how to move from this final solution going back to the original question, putting everything under 1 square root, right? So when a question comes and they ask you to express sets and express them under 1 square root, this is what will be required of you. Okay, so see you on our next video. We'll be adding and subtracting sets. Thank you.